For the qualification, we were supposed to complete several tests. First was technical inspection. We completed it successfully. Then after, skateway test, brake test, acclivity-declivity, and the last test was maneuverability, and we completed it successfully. We were the only team from Gujarat to achieve 2 awards.
Nothing in such a project is possible without the teamwork. Our team was always motivated and united by the faculty advisors and seniors. We talk about the practical exposure. Whatever we learn in theory, we get to apply here in practically. So it is a good way of getting practical knowledge.
This project helped us implement our theoretical knowledge in the best possible way. Working with the team, we experienced highs, lows, tried to resolve issues regarding design as well as manufacturing. This experience will make a huge impact in our career.
Implementing the design accurately is the most common issues faced by an engineer. There are various materials available in the market which would have increased the productivity of a cycle, but the availability of such materials was very difficult. Seniors, lab assistants and faculties were always for our guidance.
All the team were enthusiastic. Teams from all over the nation like Punjab and Maharashtra participated in this competition. This enhanced our level of competition and this prepared us to face all our future challenges. Financial support plays a key role in such a program. The institute were always supportive and ready to provide us all the resources. Also, the machinery and the respective lab assistants provided all the necessary support whenever required.
During the time period while working in the team, we improved our technical skills, management skills, problem-solving ability, and our leadership quality. We were provided different types of the machines like lathe, drilling, welding, etc. for manufacturing different parts.
Indelible involvement of students has always been an eminent matter for Gandhinagar Institute of Technology. The institute bolsters the students to participate in state as well as national level competitions to manifest their skills. Therefore, we framed Team Greenicious in 2016 from the students of multiple disciplines. The intent of the event was to make students aware about real-life engineering challenges like designing, manufacturing, and teamwork analogous to a professional organization. Also, they are supposed to compete with colleges like COEP, NITs, and IITs, etc. Therefore, we take interviews of interested and enthusiastic students and provide them the resources and mentoring required for the project.
Our journey had started when we participated in Epicycle 2016, which was held at LPU Punjab. From then onwards, team is taking part in EGVC, which is organized by SAE Club of LD Engineering College. Talking about the achievements, team has secured overall 3rd rank in 2017 and overall 2nd rank in 2018. I am proud that team has always acclaimed for its avant-garde design for 2 consecutive years. For that, they have also received Best Engineering Design Award in 2017 and 2018. Beyond the conventional thinking, girls has always been part of this journey and their dedication has earned them Best Girl Participation Award in 2018 and 2019. In short, I believe that through project-based learning, hard work and perseverance, students will open new horizons of future in science and technology.
How's the Josh? How's the Josh? How's the Josh?